Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing courtesy of Ancheer. Check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Everybody is staying safe, staying warm. We got a little rain today, so we were supposed to get hit with the blizzard, but not today. We have a big old box coming from Ancheer, and we're going to take a look. Alright, we got a manual there, something right there. Alright guys, we got here a under the desk elliptical trainer. Don't worry, it's going to be under the desk. Just want to show you what it looks like from the top view. It's lightweight, easy to carry. You can carry it from here to lift it. It'll be a lot easier. See? Comes with a nice cord. Nice long cord. Here we go. Comes with the remote. The manual. You got a different speed. You can change your direction. There we go. Calories, distance, time. A little dusty. Here we go. Looks nice. So you got it for big feet also. Do not stand. You gotta sit down and use it like that. So I have size 14. Definitely gonna fit my feet. So definitely check it out if you know big feet people that want to work out during the daytime or at work. And if it's raining, snowing, this would be a good one to get for this 2024. Alright guys, we got it right to the floor. There's easy to switch. You can use this. You can switch the directions on a different mode. You can change the speed with this also. You can see the data. Speed. We'll do the speed. And like I said, you can use a remote. Oops. Hit the wrong button. I think I did. Whoa. Whoa. It does it automatic. Oh, this is perfect. And then actually. Oh boy. Hey. Oh wow, you don't have to do anything. Whoa. This is so cool. And this is called working out. I could get used to this. Here we go. I have big feet, so I got size 14. It fits. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is number 5. Here we go. Feel the burn. Burn. Oh, baby. This is great, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened? Alright. There we go. There's a slow-mo. Okay. Steady. One walking. This is so cool. It does it auto. This is definitely the future. Speed it up. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. This is really cool. Alright YouTubers, brand new. Amazon trending. Get it now. Pretty soon this will be TikTok trending and Instagram. Now this is one to get, guys. Like I said, especially for rainy days, snowy days, This thing is, look at this, I don't have to do any work. Look at this. Chill out, do some typing, play some video games. I'm good to go. Look at that. Got some foot action going. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yes, I got big feet, and pretty good at fits. Let's change the direction. Oh, wait. Whoa. 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 I'm doing it in reverse. This is so cool. This is definitely, I don't have to do any work. Oh, Lordy. This might be a lengthy video, but this is really cool. I need to stop it. Okay, I'm using this every day now. I wonder if it's going to show. There we go. Time 2 minutes 18. 141 distance. Speed doesn't show. Counter 157. But hey, look at that. 7.8 calories. Whoop whoop. Thank you, Ancheer. You guys be safe. Have a good day. See ya.